Hi there, I am Maria from Crochet Fashion, and today I will show you how to crochet easy to make patterns. Let's crochet the pattern. Make a chain of 9 for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The foundation chain is ready. Make a chain. Make a slip stitch into the chain stitch. And make a slip stitch into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. You can crochet more chains in the foundation chain or less. I remind you, I am using the wool yarn for this example. Let's complete this row. My first row is ready. So I remind you, my slip stitch should be the same size like a chain. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the back loop. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, insert the hook into the back loop, make a slip stitch, and work with the slip stitch into the each back loop. You can use such kind of pattern to create scarf, snoot, or another accessories for winter time. Please don't forget to crochet the last stitch into the last chain stitch of the previous row. Make a chain, turn the work, make a chain, turn the work. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. I insert the hook into the back loop of this stitch. Make a slip stitch and make slip stitch into the each back loop. Like this. So you should repeat such pattern as many times as you need for your project. I have done my pattern, here how it looks like. You can use this pattern to create brim part of the head, accessories for kitchen, blanket, or ear warmer, or scarf. Next time I will show you how to crochet the second pattern. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time. Bye!